I am Aishwarya from CSCA department. First problem of find the greatest and the last distance of the point 3, 4, 12 from the unit where those center it is the adjoint x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1, d equal to root of x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square plus z minus 4 all the whole square, f equal to x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square plus z minus 12 the whole square, f of x y z lambda equal to x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square plus z minus 12 the whole square plus lambda into x square plus y square plus z square minus 1. Fx equal to dou f by dou x equal to 2 into x minus 3 plus 2x lambda. Fy equal to dou f by dou y equal to 2 into y minus 4 plus 2y lambda. Fz equal to dou f by dou z equal to 2 into z minus 12 plus z lambda. Fx equal to 0, 2 into x minus 3 plus 2x lambda equal to 0, x minus 3 plus x lambda equal to 0, 1 plus lambda into x equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 1 plus lambda, x by 3 equal to 1 by 1 plus lambda. Next one, fy equal to 0, 2 into y minus 4 plus 2y lambda equal to 0, y minus 4 plus y lambda equal to 0, 1 plus y into 1 plus lambda into y equal to 4, y equal to 4 by 1 plus lambda, y by lambda equal to 1 by 1 plus lambda. Next one, yz equal to 0, 2 into z minus 12 plus 2z lambda equal to 0, z equal to minus 12 plus z minus 12 plus z lambda equal to 0, z into 1 by lambda equal to 12, z equal to 12 by 1 plus lambda, z by 12 equal to 1 by 1 plus lambda. 3 equation, x by 3 equal to y by 4 equal to z by 12, x equal to 3 z 12, y equal to 4 z by 12, x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1, 3 z by 12 the whole square plus 4 z by 12 the whole square plus z2 equal to 1, 9 by 144 z square plus 60 by 144 z square plus z square equal to 1, 9 z square plus 60 z square plus 144 z square equal to 144, 169 z square equal to 144, z square equal to 144 by 169, z equal to plus or minus 12 by 13, x equal to 3 by 12, z equal to 3 by 12, z oda value 12 by 13 equal to plus and minus 3 by 13, y equal to 4 by 12 equal z equal to 4 by 12, z oda value 12 by 13 equal to plus or minus 4 by 13. 2 points, 3 by 13, 4 by 13, 12 by 13 and minus 3 by 13 minus 4 by 13 to minus 12 by 13. Minimum distance root of 3 minus 3 by 13 root square plus 4 minus 4 by 13 is root square plus 12 by 12 minus 12 by 13 the square. Maximum distance root of 3 plus 3 by 13 square plus 4 plus 4 by 13 the whole square plus 12 plus 12 by 13 the whole square equal to 14. Next problem. Same, x y plus 2 y z plus 2 z x equal to 443. Value x y z, f of x y z lambda equal to x y z plus lambda into x y plus 2 y z plus 2 z x minus 443. Fx equal to dou f by dou x equal to y z plus lambda into y plus 2 z. Fy equal to dou f by dou y equal to z x plus lambda x plus 2 z. F is equal to dou f by dou z equal to xy plus lambda into 2x plus 2y. To find fx equal to 0, f is y z plus lambda into y plus z 2z equal to 0. Y z equal to minus lambda into y plus 2z. Y plus 2z by y z equal to minus 1 by lambda. 1 by z plus 2 by y equal to 1 minus 1 by lambda. Fy equal to 0. Zx plus lambda into x plus 2z equal to 0. So Zx equal to minus lambda into x plus 2z. X plus 2z by zx equal to minus 1 by lambda. 1 by z plus 2 by x equal to minus 1 by lambda. F is equal to 0. Xy plus lambda into 2x plus 2y equal to 0. Xy equal to minus lambda into 2x plus 2y. 2x plus 2y by xy equal to minus 1 by lambda. 2 by y plus 2 by x equal to minus 1 by lambda. So 1 and 2 equation. 1 by z plus 2 by y equal to 1 by z plus 2 by x. 2 by y equal to 2 by x. X equal to y. 2 1 3. Next one. 2 1 3 next. 1 by z plus 2 by x equal to 2 by y plus 2 by x. 1 by z equal to 2 by y. Y equal to 2x. Next one, fourth one, fifth. X equal to y equal to 2z. X y plus 2yz plus 2zx equal to 432. 2z into 2z plus 2 into 2z into z plus 2 z into 2z equal to 432. 4z square plus 4z square plus 4z square plus equal to 432. 12z square equal to 432. Z square equal to 36. So z equal to 6. X equal to 12. Y equal to 12. Z equal to 6. 12 12 6. So maximum value 12 into 12 into 6. So 864. Next problem is same problem. Surface area equal to 2x y into y. Surface area equal to 2x into y plus 2y into 2y plus 2x into 2y equal to 2xy plus 4y square plus 4xy equal to 6xy plus 4y square. Value xy square xyz equal to 72. Xy into 2y equal to 72. 2xy square equal to 72. Xy square equal to 36. Function f. So f x y z lambda equal to 6xy plus 4y square plus lambda into xy square minus 36. So fx equal to dou f by dou x equal to 6y plus lambda xy square. Fy equal to lambda f by lambda y equal to 6x plus 6y plus 2 lambda xy. F is estimate. Fx equal to 0. X 6y plus lambda y square equal to 0. 6y equal to minus lambda y square. 6 by y equal to minus lambda. Second one. fy equal to 0. 6x plus 8y plus 2 lambda xy equal to 0. 6x plus 8y equal to minus 2 lambda xy. 3x plus 4y by xy equal to minus lambda. 3 by 4y plus 4 by x equal to minus lambda. So first one and second one. 6 by y equal to 3 by y plus 4 by x equal to 3 by y equal to 4 by x equal to 3x equal to 4y equal to y equal to 3 by x into x. Xy square equal to 36. So x y value 3 by 4 into x the whole square equal to 36. So 3 square 9, 4 square 16, the x cube equal to 36 equal to x cube by 16 equal to 4. So x cube equal to 64, x equal to 4, y equal to 3 by 4 into 4 equal to 3. Minimum 4, f is minimum at 4 and 3. The minimum surface f equal to 6 4 into 3 plus 4 6 3 square 6 into 12 plus 4 into 9. So 72 plus 36 equal to 108.